Gusto mo mag-improve, pero paano ka nga ba mag-i-invest sa sarili mo? There are three things kung saan napupunta ang iyong time and money. And hindi lahat ng ito is makakapag-contribute sa self-improvement mo. Let's make it simple. Tawagin natin silang A money, B money, and C money. A money, ito yung usual na pinupuntahan ng iyong pera. Ito yung mga gastusin mo like bills, groceries, and transportation. Basically, ito yung money na ginagamit mo for your operating activities. Importante ba ang A money? Yes! Kasi non-negotiables mo yan. Pero hindi yan makakatulong sa self-improvement mo. Next is B money. Ito yung sinasabi natin na money makes money. Best example nito is yung mga investments. Importante ba ang B money? Yes! Kasi that's one way to grow your money that you can use in the future. Pero if you want to improve yourself and your career, you should invest more in your C money. This is really how you invest in yourself. Through meditation, seminar, coaching and mentoring, any activities na makakapag-add value sa'yo. If you want to improve yourself, you invest in you. Kasi ikaw yung money machine and you make yourself irreplaceable kapag you keep yourself improving. Yun lang.